Babe, it's me. Ah, don't be like that. No, it's not. Listen, I need you to head back to base. There's been a... Hey, don't close your eye, I'm not... I know. Yep. Yep, Aruni. Can't say, it's a surprise. Your muse isn't making a request.
Cypher, for your sake, you better not have pulled me here just because you need a fourth for poker.
Honestly, was hoping there'd be biting. You know, blood, teeth, the good stuff. It's not too late.
Bill, please. Hey. Why is he here? Stanley, I told you. If I didn't call him here, we'd... No, Ford, I get that. Needed for the greater good or whatever. Why is he still here? That is an excellent point. Goodbye, Bill.
Not so fast, bucko. I'm not running a charity here. Quid pro quo, baby. I just saved the cat, so Kitten needs to do something for Daddy.
Fine. What do you want?
What I wanted from this dump in the first place. Though this time with interest.
Interest?
Oh, you'll find out when you come here.
Quid pro quo. Ha! As if.
Oh, you're not gonna actually do what he says, are you?
Rule number 1 of dealing with demons, kids. Never play fair.
Sixer wants to play hide and seek. First one to find him gets their own galaxy.
Bill Cypher.
Too bad. Guess I keep all the galaxies to myself. Whoa! Don't need to reference that deleted scene again.
Cypher, you pompous ass. How dare you?
Oh, look at that, everyone. The little human thinks he gets to have an opinion. Well, folks, seems like we've got our entertainment for the evening. Any requests for our lovely performer?
Introduce him to the concept of ventriloquism.
Make him think he's a dog. Make him think he's a dog with like no legs.
Hex, come on, man. You need to let that one go. Ah, Sixer, still trying to fight? Come on, kid, the party's just getting started.
Damn it, Bill. Enough games.
Oh, big man over here thinks he's playing a game. Pretty pathetic. Buddy, you aren't even at the table. Best you were ever gonna get was to be a piece on the board, but hey, good job screwing that up too.
Fuck you. I don't know what this is, what you're planning, but...
What I'm planning? Fordsy, kid, you don't get it, do you? You're nothing now. You're stuck here like the rest of these sad sacks. No portal, no earth, no nothing. You get that, you waste of flesh? You got nothing for me. Worse than dirt, worse than keyhole. I mean, watching you squirm is at least funny. What were you thinking coming out of your hiding spot? You really want me to crush you into a paste that badly? Hilarious! Do you got any idea how easy it would be to kill you?
Then do it. I'm worthless to you like this. I certainly can't escape, so...
What's the point? Killing you wouldn't even be fun, you're too pathetic. Doesn't get me any closer to what I want. No portal, no earth, no Stanford.
Is it really that impossible? Just get another human, send them down there. Not that they'll be able to get past my defenses, it's just...
Oh, what? All of a sudden you want that portal opened? Geez, Sixer, great on the whole timing thing.
No, of course not, you demon. What I want is for you to die burning torn atom from atom. I want it to hurt. Why not just build a portal from this end?
Why didn't I think of that? Not possible, Brainiac. Can't do it. Not a chance.
Well, that doesn't seem right. It's a bridge. But what on earth could possibly preclude you from building it from one end or the other?
It's... You don't get it, bud. We're not just talking from point A to point B. This is time, space, Euclidean geometry, vectors, scalars, all that crap. Meaningless! The anchor point matters. It's the difference between building a bridge over a creek or the Atlantic Ocean. It's not... You need to start from a point where it's closer, where the gap is weaker, and that's... You can't do that here! Dummy! Idiot!
So there's no point where this realm gets any closer to Earth.
Not just Earth, anywhere. This ain't a place, Fordsy. It's a crack in the fabric of reality, and it's not supposed to be here. Which makes it great for a blowout house party. Not so good for bailing when the foundation starts giving out.
Why not start from a different realm then? No, you probably would have if that'd work. This is a space between spaces, then I'm guessing the distance only grows the further you get away from this realm. So it probably isn't possible.
Bingo! This trash heap of a realm has the wonderful little property of being static. Point zero, can't get any closer or further. It's all infinity and nothing at the same time. Things can approach it but never quite touch. Paradoxically, recursively, all that stupid crap that makes your useless human brain turn into pink putty.
Fascinating.
Kid, stop. I know what that pretty little brain of yours is trying to do. It ain't possible, you're stuck here. Gonna waste away until your stupid meat sack pops. Maybe lose a few limbs, get tortured when I get bored.
Not possible for you.
I've been around a long time. If knowledge of how to do it existed, it doesn't anymore. You'd gotta have a bigger ego than me to even begin to think you've got the brains to figure this out.
It's not arrogance, Bill, it's science. If you can build a bridge on one side, you can build it on the other. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of how. Regardless, I'm not in the habit of just deciding a hypothesis is wrong without even trying.
Oh, cute. So what, you just gonna solve the impossible then?
That or I shoot myself. Haven't decided yet. Both options seem reasonable.
I'm still in your head, kid.
We both have mutually shared interests. I would be willing to leverage that.
What are you trying to say, Fordsy?
I would be willing to renegotiate the terms of our original agreement.
Oh, would you? Now, why should I renegotiate on having complete and total control over your mind, body, and soul? Already a cushy setup for me.
We're both already at the end of the usefulness for this arrangement, Bill. Surely even you can see that, can't you?
Nope. I'm pretty fond of unimpeded access to your brain. You got some sick thoughts up there, buddy. A lot of weird freak thoughts.
Yet you don't have my cooperation. I don't care what you do. I'm not willingly doing your dirty work anymore, Bill. Not without some assurances.
Ha! Who cares about willingly? Willing was never part of the deal. I control you. What part of that aren't you getting, sport?
Oh, I get it. You've made that painfully clear. I think you're the one that's confused here. You may have complete control of my body, but my mind? You only get that while I'm alive. Pretty big loophole there. Pretty easy to exploit.
Oh, please. So dramatic. Sorry, Daisy, but you ain't got it in ya. The deal ends when I'm done with you. So stop throwing a fit and...
Carotid artery. Radial artery. Easy enough to tear open with your teeth, if nothing else. I always wondered if I could bite through my own tongue, but I could choke on that. Breaking my own neck seems difficult, but, you always did inspire great feats. All else failing, I could starve myself or find some way to break my own brain. You may have control over my body, can torture me for as long as you want, but you aren't the only one who controls when this ends. You may try to prevent it, but truthfully, Bill, I'd be able to find a way to kill myself. There's no reason to fight it if I'm no longer on Earth. If watching me struggle is what's fun for you, so be it. I can't force your hand. But either way, eventually the deal will be broken. You'll lose your toy.
Your move.